Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a walk around tour of our bespoke Siena 2. So based on the Alpine 2, but the Siena range being completely bespoke to Grantham with some fantastic additional features. So let's have a look at that particular caravan. A wonderfully well-spec'd two-berth lightweight caravan coming at a maximum MTPLM of 1,225 kilograms. You've got a generous sized front locker box there, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, your leg winder, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Our bespoke chrome Siena logo located on the front window there. Another key feature that we add to it is the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got the wonderful chrome grab handles. And down the side here, you've got a bespoke Siena bubbled logo, an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, and also its exterior 240-volt socket. One of the other great features on the Siena range is our completely bespoke selected decal on the side. So you won't see this on any other caravan out there in the market, so you're really going to stand out as unique. With it being a Swift caravan, one of the other perks as well is having the two-lay bike rack fixings already on the back. So you've got the bars there, so at a small additional cost, you can fit a bike rack on the back to carry either 2 or 3 bikes up to a maximum payload of 50 kilograms. So, stepping inside the Siena 2, you've got the bespoke Siena branded mat as you step inside, a combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and pan storage located underneath. You've got a white locker finish in the kitchen area, moving over to an easy usable height microwave, some 240-volt sockets there with a drop-through cable drop-through. You've got the stainless steel sink. This green trim here is just a protective trim that comes off. A large kitchen work surface with work surface extension. A medium-sized under-counter Dometic fridge. As we now pan round, new for 2021 is the new wood grain here. It was white last year, which is what you see in the kitchen area. And this really offsets well and looks fantastic in the caravan. A large panoramic sunroof located at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, gives you a fantastic feeling of space. Now on to our bespoke hand-selected fabric schemes. You won't find this in any other caravan, and we've really thought hard about this as a durable but high-quality chic finish. Matching curtains to match the pastel green and yellow cushions. As we come down the front of the caravan, you've got the PIR sensor for the alarm with the green flashing light there. A Truma blown air heating vent there when I'll show you the control panel in a moment. Short pull-out table with chest underneath for further storage. And a 12-volt socket with 2 USB points also located at the front. Stepping back towards the centre of the van, you've got further storage located here and a generous size sideboard, which is where you'll find your television point located there to pop a TV on the sideboard to watch from the lounge area. Above the habitation door, you've got your Truma blown air command panel on the right hand side, and on the left is your Swift command panel for all the workings in the caravan. You've got built-in digital DAB radio to be able to connect through an auxiliary jack into this point here, so you can plug in and play your own music. You cannot connect to it via Bluetooth for the radio, it's only the auxiliary for your own music. But what you can connect via Bluetooth is to the Swift command functionalities, enabling you to use features such as lighting, heating, and your fridge functionality. You can also do that by controlling it at a distance via the Swift command app, using the mobile connectivity via GPRS. Some great features and great functionalities there. Stepping into the bathroom area, you've got a generous sized sink with storage underneath, a large vanity mirror with the Siena logo on it. Coming towards the left hand side, you've got the Thetford toilet, and tucked away at the back here, you've got a very generous sized wardrobe, which you see here with a hanging rail, your Vision Plus box and your multi-directional aerial. A shelf there with also storage located underneath. Also in the bathroom, you've got a generous sized individual shower cubicle that you see here with pull across screen. And also tucked away in this cubby hole here is the freestanding table for the front of the caravan. So a really well-spec'd two-berth Caravan. We've sold these fantastically well over the last few years, and our display model has already sold for this year. Our next tranche of build is currently on a July-August build date for our Siena 2s because of how well they've consistently sold. So I'm pretty confident if you feel this is the right Caravan for you, you're making a fantastic choice in the Siena 2 because we've consistently sold out year on year for the last 3 years. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team, who will be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk round tour, and if you've got any queries or questions about this model, please call us. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Bye bye now.